Hey, Sister Girl here with another walkthrough for you. This is called Cali Jam. It's a dance that's been out for maybe about, I don't know, five years, I think. But it's a smooth dance. Not a lot of steps, just different moves. But I'm gonna walk you through it. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel. Share the channel with anybody you know that loves to dance, especially those who wish they could line dance or they're new to line dances, because my walkthroughs are very easy and they're done with beginners in mind. Even if the dance looks complicated, by the time you finish, you'll be able to get it. And remember, practice makes progress. We're not striving for perfection. So have a good time and let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start with the first move, which is heel and step and turn. That's exactly what we're doing. Right is leading, so we're heel, step, and turn. So we heel on the right, step on the left, and then turn toward the right. And we do the same thing with the left foot. Heel, right, step, and turn, back, front. All right? Let's do that move again. 5, 6, here we go. Heel, step, and turn, left heel, step, and turn. All right? Next move, cage is a 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. That's your cadence. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. Now, the move looks like this because we're moving forward. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. All right? Practice that cadence first. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. That's what you want to say to yourself. Let's take it from the top, adding the two moves together. 5, 6, here we go. Heel, step and turn, heel, step and turn. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. Adding on, sailor, sailor. Remember Popeye? Okay, if I'm dating myself, that's all good, because I don't look it. But Popeye, you know, he's something do, 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 do. Okay, so sailor is a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you like labels, left, oops, right, left, right, left, right, left. So we do one sailor on the right, one sailor on the left. Okay? So the sailor again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's put the three moves together. Heel, step, and turn. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out, and sailor. 5, 6, here we go. Heel, step, and turn. Heel, step, and turn. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. Sailor, sailor. Alternative, check. And keep your steps small, easier to control. Heel, step, and turn. Heel, step, and turn. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. Sailor, sailor. Okay? That's your alternative. Very smooth, very easy. All right, now, next move is a right turn, 1, 2, 3. That's what I call it. So the way the move goes is right turn. So you stick out your right foot and you kind of pivot on the left. Right turn, a quarter turn to the left. We're going to do this to all 4 walls. The 1, 2, 3 is on the left. 1, 2, 3. Back, right, left. It's like your stapler move. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the move is right turn, 1, 2, 3. 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 Okay, that's the 4th move. From the top all the way through to the 4th move. Heel, step, and turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. Sailor, and now we're going to do our 4-wall right turn. Okay, 5, 6. Here we go. Heel, step, and turn. Heel, step, and turn. 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap out. Sailor, sailor. Right turn, 1, 2, 3. 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 Okay? Next move is a half turn and a full turn. Okay? So once we get back to the front, right foot again, still leading the move. Step back on the right, and we're going to do a half turn, which is going to take us to the wall behind us. 1, 2, 3. That's your count. You get around in 3. Then once you face the back wall, step back on the left, and do a full turn right back to that wall. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we have a right, half turn, left, full turn. Alternative, for anyone that gets dizzy or just don't want to do the full turn. Step back on your right, half turn, step back on your left, and 1, 2, 3. Just hold it here. And everybody else will catch up with you who's doing the full turn. Pivotal moment decision. I've shown you an alternative. When you're doing the dance, you have to decide whether or not you're going to do it the original way or with the alternative. And don't watch your neighbor, because if your neighbor is doing the original and you want to do the alternative, your brain and your eyes are going to confuse you and you'll lose your place. All right? So, all the way from the top, including our turns. Believe it or not, we're almost done. 5, 6, here we go. Right? Step and turn. Left. Step and turn. 1, 2, tap. 1, 2, tap out. Sailor. Sailor. Right, turn, 1, 2, 3. 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 Right back and 1 half turn. Left back and full turn. Okay? Now, the rest of the move, I'm going to be facing the back wall. So you're going to see me from the back. So we're going to, once we do our full turn, or you hung out here, we're going to still lead with the right side. Right. Rock, rock, slide left, rock, rock. Easy enough. Okay, but we're just not finished with our rocking. Then we're going to rock forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's, from the turn, okay? And on this turn, I'm going to do the alternative, okay? So I'm not going to do the full turn. 5, 6, step back on the right. Right? 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, slide right, rock, rock, slide left, rock, rock, right, up, 2, 3, and left, up, 2, 3, and. Last part of the dance, rock up on the right, back on the right, half turn, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats, half turn from the front to the back, and guess what we do? We start over, right, step and turn, left. Step and turn. 1, 2, tap. 1, 2, tap out. Sailor, sailor. Right turn. Right turn. Right turn. Right turn. Half turn. Full turn. Side to the right. Side to the left. Rock to the front. And rock on the left. Step up and back and 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. That's the whole method. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. There's a demo. I'll put the link in the description so you can see it with the music and practice it with the music after you do a dry run a couple of times to get comfortable with it. Thanks for watching. Have a good time with it. Have fun. Don't stress. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share. And let me know in the comments if you're liking what I'm putting out so I can put out more content for you. Thanks and have a great day. Bye now.